Hey everyone, it is the Empowered Educator, and I'm back with a short video. I wanted to point out to those of you who are not aware that I have an article right now available on Teachers Pay Teachers. It is called Empowering Children of Culture, and it includes 7 powerful procedures that teachers should put into practice inside of their learning space, especially those that are looking to build more of a sound climate and culture as well as community within their classroom structure. I'm going to briefly read the introduction, then I'm going to give you those 7 points. And again, that link is down below inside the description box if you're actually interested in reading more about these procedures, okay? And it reads, children of culture and of those who have experienced trauma appreciate solid classroom structures, routines, and procedures. Oftentimes, these areas are the highest priority in classroom management and satisfying school-wide behavior expectations with our children. When working with students from poverty, it's important to understand that internal and external factors influence their behavior and erode students' ability to feel hopeful about their futures. An empowered educator is one that makes a difference in which the child thinks, feels, and perceives about oneself. Teachers that equip a positive mindset about themselves transmit their energy in the learning space, thus producing positive influence on their children. In this article, educators will examine practical and powerful procedures that children of culture and those who have experienced trauma critically need to positively respond to school-wide behavior expectations and achieve at high levels of success in the public education setting. So that is overall just, what the purpose of the article is, and I'm going to go in depth about the 7 points that are going to be mentioned in this article. The first one is positive praise and reinforcement. I know if you have watched so many of my other videos, this is probably my number one thing I always talk about, okay? Because positive praise and reinforcement is the number one way to have positive interactions and community inside of your learning space, okay? Number 2 is the power of repetition. I've talked about this oftentimes as well. Just making sure that you are helping students retain their memory in the side of the classroom through your structures, your expectations, and your procedures in your lessons. Number 3 is consistency. Number 4 is acknowledgement. Number 5 are leadership positions. Number 6 are break opportunities, meaningful break opportunities, not just doing a whole class, brain break on YouTube. Actually letting students delve into something that allows them to self-reflect or take some time out for what they need. I actually have a program I recently developed called Student Self-Care Kits, and I need to do a video about all the things that are included in the self-care kit because you all, this is going to be the next big boom across public education. It is one of my most unique developments in regard to my business, and the students love these things. I need to do a video on them too because I'm telling you, the kids, they love these. They're like, can we take these home? I'm like, no, not right now. You can take them home at the end of the year. Right now, we're using them in the classroom. But it's amazing because they're going to be able to take these kits home over the summer and they can still utilize the tools that are in there to continue to regulate their emotions, validate their feelings or other things that might happen at home. Number 7 is high expectations. And you all, these are photos of, things that happen in my classroom. But this article is amazing. Okay. And I wrote it myself. It's very powerful and it gives you those tools that you need to just feel motivated to go in your classroom and make that difference. Okay. The values of Empowered Educator are to teach a mind, touch a heart, and to change a life. And y'all, we know that through those components, we are indeed making a difference in the lives that we wish to see in this world, okay? Again, this is a short video. The link is down below if you are actually interested in getting this hard copy in your hands. And as always, like, subscribe, and share this content. And thank you all so much for your time. Good day.